All right, so this is my little 86 Toyota pickup, the 1U Z-Swap. I just finished it up a week or two ago. I had a $2,000 and 2-week goal on this, and I got really close to hitting it. So I ended up running 2 Tundra manifolds. They're both passenger side Tundra manifolds, and this one is forward sweeping, so it can clear my rack and pinion kit. You can see it clears the steering shaft pretty well. And then I'm running a front sump oil pan, and you can kind of see that. I did end up having to chop up the back of it and take a section out so it would clear the rack. But again, the front sump pan fit a lot better than the rear sump. The rear sump sat right on top of the rack and didn't really work. I had to take a ton of material out of it and basically lose probably 1.5 quarts or 2 quarts of capacity. So the front sump definitely is the way to go with the rack and pinion kit. Probably with a factory crossbar as well. Again, Taco, first gen Taco brake booster and master cylinder, clears the valve cover, perfect. And yeah, run a factory Toyota Radiator. The internet suggests that I plumb this incorrectly, but it stays very cool, so have fun with that. I'm running a 16-inch pusher fan. And right now the condenser is right in front of it, and then I have the tranny cooler in front of that. It's probably too many things stacked on top of each other, and I'm probably gonna move the tranny cooler, but again, it stays cool, I ain't sweating it. Battery's in the same spot, running the fat hot air intake, because there's really not a lot of places to put an intake on this until I move the battery to the back, but again, that wasn't part of the 2 week, 2 day, is it a weekday? What day is it? Doesn't matter. Wasn't part of the plan, so it'll get touched later. So, again, I'm running the rack and pinion conversion, coilover conversion. Working pretty well, fits pretty well. It's the old torque converter. And here's my fancy custom exhaust. This I did pony up on. This is what broke the bank. Took it to the shop and had them do 2 1/4 to a wide pipe, to a cat, to a resonator, and then a MagnaFlow out the back. And it's kind of hidden. The other expensive part was the drive shaft and the drive shaft adapter. And that's got a flex joint on it and all that goodness. So it's pretty much wrapped up. It's good to go. It's running pretty well. It's nice and torquey and smooth and makes nice power everywhere. And I highly recommend it. Very nice little engine.